Okay, so sorry. Let's start with the video. Oh, I'm gonna buy some stuff for you and me. Yay! Stuff for everyone. Okay, I should really stop screaming. No, we already have a lot.
If you love me, then use it.
No, too extreme.
You don't love me.
No, too extreme. I can use that.
I'm a rebel, so.
Too extreme. Okay, so let's get some more stuff for both of the acas. Sorry, like we're right now, like really insane.
You big fat dog named Fat.
Yes. Yes. Okay, yeah, I should really stop now because I'm getting like way too cuckoo. I think I've been doing too much cocaine. So yeah. Cocaine. Oh, this is boring. Okay. Ah! I'm very sorry for this inconvenience. Shit. So Denny, so you want it red?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, yeah, I should probably stop now because what the fuck?
I know, I'm sorry, I'm worried.
Okay. Excuse me? I am wearing it. Please let me gift it. Sorry. Are you okay? La 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 la. Let's have you barefoot. I like this. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, there we go. I'm too lazy to finish it off, so
Where come some clothes? Where's bread? Eat some bread loaves.
and breasts. So
The underground fest.
no. So basically, like, let's give me a gift, yeah. 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 I said, hey, that, okay. Okay, so yeah, I think we should be good. And I said, hey, yeah. Oh yeah. And if I keep on like pausing the video, then it's just like to check the like the recording that I've done. So don't mind me. Let's see. Let's choose. Let's do blush. Oh, okay, that's beautiful. Very beautiful. And I said, hey, okay, gonna check the recordings out. Okay, bye.